In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move rows in Excel. Moving rows in Excel is a simple skill, but it is important to do it the right way so your data stays organized. If you want to rearrange information without copying and pasting, this method is quick and reliable. To begin, find the row you want to move. On the far left side of the worksheet, click the row number. This will highlight the entire row from left to right. Make sure the full row is selected before you continue, because clicking inside a single cell will not give you the same result. Once the row is highlighted, move your mouse cursor to either the top border or the bottom border of that selected row. You need to place the cursor directly on the edge of the highlighted area. As you hover in the correct spot, the cursor will change into a four-pointed arrow. That cursor change is important because it tells you Excel is ready to move the row. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Keep that key pressed as you continue. This helps Excel insert the row into a new position rather than replacing existing content. While still holding the Shift key, click and hold your left mouse button on the row border. Then drag the row up or down to the new location where you want it to go. Move carefully so you can place it exactly where you need it. As you drag, watch for a dark horizontal indicator line. This line shows where the row will be inserted when you let go. It is a helpful visual guide, especially if you are working with a large worksheet or trying to place the row between specific entries. When the indicator line is in the correct position, release your left mouse button first. After that, release the Shift key. The order matters here because releasing the mouse first tells Excel where to drop the row, and releasing Shift afterward completes the move properly. If the row does not land where you expected, you can simply try again and use the indicator line more carefully. Taking an extra second to watch the cursor and the insertion line can help you avoid mistakes. That is the full process for moving a row in Excel. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes very fast and easy to use. That covers everything you need to know.